Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly,
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
behind
Behind
the
the
drywall.
Drywall.
So, so I kind of lost my voice, so Mike is going to do most of the talking, which I'm pretty sure
It's a
he's
nice,
happy about.
it's a nice break.
Yeah.
Uh,
So, where are we?
yes, uh, we're at a house that we were at the last time, but I don't think we actually came up to this part of the house. This is the guest bathroom that we're redoing as well. And so where we're at now, we've obviously demoed it out, ripped out all the tile, the tub, everything's removed. We've rewired it, we've re-drywalled, and now what we have is a walk-in shower. Um, and so this is actually really cool. We've got this pebble here on the back, which is also what's on the floor. We have the nice Schluter edges that give it a finished look. And it's just an easy shower to get into, a pony wall right here, and LED lights are only using about 11 watts of light. So that's the complete shower. Really all we're waiting on for here is the glass and then the plumbing fixtures. In about a week or week and a half, maybe two, we'll end up getting the new vanity right here. It's going to be a double sink vanity, and it will obviously have a countertop. And after the countertop's in, then the plumbing fixtures go in. We also rewired, so instead of one vanity light, we have two vanity lights, and there will be a medicine cabinet in this bathroom as well. So we're real close on finishing out this bathroom, and really the goal is finish this up here so that the owners can move from downstairs and live up here when we work on the master suite.
And we'll be able to show you the master suite. Should get started by the next video next month when we're here. One thing I want you to see is I don't think you got to see the floor. So one way you can tie in is this is a flat pebble, so it's nice and smooth, so it doesn't hurt your feet or anything. And that's what we did in the backsplash. It's a guest bath, so just kind of keeping it really simple, not going over the top with any kind of deco. Although the countertop is fabulous, can't wait to see that. So we'll take you downstairs, show you what else we're doing, and
down we go.
So now we're downstairs. We were just upstairs looking at the guest bath, and now we're downstairs where, as you can see behind us, we're going to kind of try to stay out of this area because our team is doing some paint work, and that alone is just going to change everything. And then we're standing on, I think last time we did the video, it was prepping for all the hardwood floors, and now they're on.
The hardwood floors are down, and we've covered it up with ram board as well as, which is a real resilient cardboard, so it protects the floors. And the painters have covered it up as well with plastic, so for dripping or anything like that. So that's why this whole thing is covered up.
All over.
All to protect the new beautiful hardwood floors. Obviously, the kitchen is over there, and we'll be able to see that next time. The cabinets will come in basically around the same time as they are coming in for upstairs as well.
And then the staircase, we're leaving the balusters. These are going to be painted the same color as the trim. This they sanded down, and we're going to stain this to match the color of the new floors. So this is getting done, and we did a few paint samples or stain samples. Mm-hmm. Those were picked out yesterday, so that's going to get done real soon. Yep. And then we did some work in the powder room we want to show you, which is pretty cool.
Right over here. So
I'm doing my Demi Moore voice.
Actually, in here, you can see what the new hardwood floor looks like. I'll go ahead and walk in. This is the new hardwood floor. So it really complements, and I don't think we had this in last time, but this is the wainscoting that we put in.
The paneling.
The paneling that they had a very specific style they wanted it to be, and that's almost complete. A few touch-ups, this will be done. The one thing that I think we're going to decide on today is going to be the paint color for the walls, right? So this is a powder, so we want to kind of dress it up a little bit.
So we've got a lot of samples. It's a powder room, So you can have a lot of fun with the powder room. It doesn't have to be the same as the rest of the house. And you got to ignore this vanity light that's up here because that's the old one. It's going away. And
This is not the light you're looking for.
This is not the light you're looking for. But we're going to do some kind of fun blue color, and you can see there's a variation of them. We've got husband and wife, and both like different kinds of blues. So some like them darker, and one of them likes them lighter. So we're going to pick the winner today after we finish the video.
That's
so
right.
It's going to look really, really, really neat. But anyway, so that should be fun.
That'll be good. So that's where we're at today.
Beautiful pedestal sink.
Yeah.
So it's going to match a lot. They came from East Coast and lived in some very traditional colonial style homes, and they really wanted to bring a lot of that feel here to San Antonio. So that is what we're doing.
So glad you could join us today. Hopefully you got to see some cool stuff and how the progression of a project is going. And next time you'll see a whole different project. We'll have cabinets, potentially countertops as well. So it'll really look a lot different.
Yeah. And one last thing. It's March Madness, people.
Oh, yeah.
And we're a very competitive family.
Well,
so you might wonder why we're wearing these shirts, because Arizona is where I went to school, and I'm really, really hoping
they're out. Arizona's out. It's okay, honey. It's all right.
Texas is not even going to be in
They're playing the Aggies tonight, so hopefully they'll win. But
we have 2 kids.
So we have to support their schools because both of their schools are in. The Clemson Tigers.
Roll Tide, Alabama. So we'll see who's the winner. And we know our kids are watching, and we love you both. So we are supporting both schools.
Teams.
Unless my coach steps it up. In which case, I'm sorry, but Alabama will not win. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends.
Thanks.
Thanks.